So guys, the red bar means that there are some GPU or CPU accelerated effect applied on our clip or inside our sequence. And for that reason, if we try to see the playback, as you can see, it's really choppy, it's dropping a lot of frames because our CPU and GPU cannot able to render or calculate everything properly in real time. So what's our solution to see the render preview properly? For that, go to sequence. We need to temporarily render this part. So for that, render in to out. Now the bar is green, that means this part is totally rendered. Now if we press on play, we can see the preview with the effect smoothly. But if we change something here, now it's again red. So we need to do the same thing again. Unfortunately, there is no other solution for this, unless you want to buy a really powerful CPU and GPU. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.